Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kagam, and welcome to my Louis Vuitton unboxing, or well, a Louis Vuitton unboxing, let's say, because it's a men's piece. This is something my husband picked up, so without further ado, let me show you. But before I open it, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on notifications. Many of you are watching the like unboxings and haul videos, but you're not subscribing, so I don't know what to do except to ask you to please subscribe and turn on notifications. Okay, so this is a box. It's pretty big. So yeah, let's open it up. Let me show you what's in here. It's quite hefty actually, isn't it? Try not to ruin my nails. This is what he got. It is this, oops, sorry, I thought I wrecked my nails there. It's this beautiful Louis Vuitton like monogram briefcase. I don't know how well you can see the embossing, because he has had it for a few months and he does use it, but it's very nice. So let me show you. Don't know if you can see the monogram, the symbols, the beautiful LV, the flower and everything there. So this is the front. This is the back. This is what it looks like handheld, and then it also has this strap which says Louis Vuitton on it. I don't know how well you can see. I don't think I'm going to add pictures. It's just a quick unboxing. I just want to quickly show you, but you should be able to see it there. So yeah, this is this briefcase. Now, if I recall correctly, he bought this at the Champs-Élysées store one day when he went alone. He was just roaming around, and then he was like, you know, I think I'll pop into Louis Vuitton and see if they have anything from men's. I remember telling him that I really liked the men's selection at Louis Vuitton is personally something I really like. They have that whole floor dedicated to the men's collection. So he went there. He was really impressed, and he was like, he liked that they had a floor just for men, like, you know, that part that's just for men. I thought that was really nice as well. So he saw this, and the essay, he was telling me about how the essay was like pushing him, you know, to buy it. The essay was like fighting for his life, forcing him to buy it, because he said at one point that he was like, maybe I can just pass by like a leather store and just get like an unbranded one, because he doesn't care about brands and labels and stuff. But the essay was like, no, you should get ours because our leather's like this and like this and like this. So yeah, just one more time. Yeah, I think that's a little better, so you can see it a little better. I don't know if you guys watch using your television or your phones and stuff like that, or your tablets, but I think this will look nice if you watch it on your TV. Now, if I remember with pricing, I think the price of this was something like, I think it's something like 2,000, it was more than 2,000 euros, but I think the price at the time was like 2,150. I have to double check to see if this is on the app or the website. Last time I looked, it wasn't there, but sometimes they just update, you know, products and stuff, and maybe they just forgot to upload it or something. But yeah, so this is the men's briefcase. There's a compartment here at the back with a zipper that you can just open. I could open it if I can get it open. You can open it here. So there's a compartment. That literally having press-on nails is pointless with men's products, because I literally can't open anything. So you can open it here, and then obviously the front here, which again, let me see if I can open it. And then inside it looks like that. I think this is microfiber inside. It's obviously leather. There seems to be some sort of fiber lining inside, so I'll just show you the inside. That's how the inside looks. So yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton men's briefcase. This is really nice. I think this is like a cute present for your boyfriend or your husband or something. It's really nice, and like I said, it's just over 2,000 euros. I'm gonna have to go check on the app or the website to make sure that I'm getting the pricing right, but it was something like that, because I remember he got the refund, and I do remember when he got his refund, it was like within like a week. That's how long it took. I think this is a beautiful present idea for your boyfriend or your husband or something. It's very business-like, like particularly because now a lot of people are, you know, going back into the office. I know many of you are like doing hybrid kind of scenarios where you're working from home, but also you're going into the office. I think this is, yeah, just very nice. I love the color as well. It's a beautiful black, and the sort of very subtle like monogram looks really, really nice. So I love also that the hardware here is also black as well. To mention some other Louis Vuitton pieces that I thought were so cute, because I was looking at the app the other day. I just downloaded it because I had gotten this new phone, and there were just so many cute little things there. They're so adorable, so darling, and absolutely wonderful. And one of the things which I loved, I just saw it, is the Vivienne candy box. It's from the Christmas collection this year. I'd love to get my hands on this. I think this is just one of the cutest things I've ever seen. So it's, I think they obviously they mean, literally they mean it. It's like for sweets and confectionery for like Christmas sweets, but obviously you could use this for like storage. You could put coins in it, you could put earrings, you could put jewelry, trinkets and things like that. I just think this is just the cutest thing ever. I'm such a Christmas person, as you can see in the background. These are like general gifts that I've started wrapping. They're not luxury gifts. They were under the tree, but I was like, let me put them behind me just for some, you know, scenery and stuff. I love Christmas. I love the holidays. I love everything about this holiday season. I love this season so much. Like, I live for Christmas. So when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I think I need to have it. I think in Europe, it's something like 550 euros. I just think it's one of the cutest things I've ever seen. Now, I also wanted to show you a troll item, which I'm not buying, but this is just the level of trolling that Louis Vuitton does. This is from the baby collection. They have this ridiculous troll, which is a baby suitcase. It's like 2,000 euros. I mean, it's such a cool idea for like the idea, because Louis Vuitton being a luggage company, then having like suitcases and luggages for babies. I mean, it's peak trolling. They always do trolling, you know, and it's white. Like, babies are gonna be soiling themselves every minute of the day, and then you have your little suitcase for your baby that's white. I don't know, I just thought that was so funny, so I just had to show you. There's another piece, I think if I have a picture, I'll insert it here, of the silver spoon from the baby collection. Talk about being born with a silver spoon in your mouth. It's kind of, you know, it's kind of, there's like a double meaning there. There's like a double entendre there. It's kind of funny. To me, there's a little bit of humor in that. I don't know if anyone else thinks it's funny, because it is 300 euros, I believe, just for the spoon. But yeah, those were just some of the things that I'd seen. I mean, the baby products, those two baby items are like troll pieces, but I think that the baby clothing is actually really cute. Although generally speaking, I think Dior makes the best like baby clothing. And yeah, but yeah, like I said, the Vivienne candy box, that is something which I'm stalking, and I think it's so cute. I'm just trying to figure out how I'm going to get my hands on one, but I think I might have to just order it and get it shipped to Tanzania, hopefully before Christmas Day, because I just think it's the cutest thing. I love that the interior is red, which is, you know, obviously a huge color for Christmas as well. Let me know what you think about this unboxing. If you enjoy unboxings, this video will be on the luxury unboxing and luxury haul playlist, and it will also be on, I actually have a playlist for Louis Vuitton unboxings where you can see all of them. So yeah, you let me know if you like it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications, you guys. I think that's more powerful. I was looking at my stats, and more of you are watching from notifications. That helps me a lot. I would really love if you would just turn on notifications and subscribe. There'll be lots of unboxings and lots of things to share with you guys in like for this whole like Christmas season. I don't know if pregnancy makes people want to spend more money, but every single day I'm looking at things I want to buy. So there'll be heaps of things like that. So if you enjoy these types of videos, I think you should stick around. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.